So today is a crypto video. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin with some MicroStrategy and Microsoft mixed in there, along with some other crypto related news. So let's get started. Microsoft shareholders have a big decision coming up soon. We're going to be exploring how this could impact the future of Bitcoin. Whether you're a crypto fan or just curious, there will be something in this video for you. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can continue to learn and earn together. So, Bitcoin is a digital currency and it was created back in 2009. It's a very red day when it comes to crypto, as you can see here. So, Bitcoin's current price as of the time I'm recording is $66,575. Unlike traditional currency, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning that it's not controlled by any government or bank. It runs on blockchain technology, a secure system that records all Bitcoin transactions. People hold Bitcoin because it has the potential to appreciate over time, although it's known for its ups and downs. So, back to Microsoft. Their shareholders are set to vote on whether the company should add Bitcoin to its corporate treasury. If this vote passes, Microsoft will be holding Bitcoin as part of its financial assets. This is significant because Microsoft, being a tech giant, would be setting an example for other big companies to consider doing the same thing. We've seen a similar situation in the past when Tesla added Bitcoin to its balance sheet, which led to a price boost. So, if Microsoft backs Bitcoin, it could create some strong momentum and make Bitcoin more mainstream. Investors are excited because corporate support generally boosts confidence in Bitcoin, driving prices up as other institutions may follow and do the same. Okay, so let's talk about some Bitcoin price predictions. So for 2025, based on the latest projections, Bitcoin could reach $100,000 by the end of 2025. Some experts even suggest that with more institutional interests, like we just talked about with Microsoft, Bitcoin could reach even higher levels over the next decade. Bitcoin has shown stability recently despite inflation and interest rate concerns affecting traditional markets. So it is believed that Bitcoin has a solid foundation for future growth. Recently, Bitcoin's price has been rising due to several factors. First, institutions and companies are increasingly interested in adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. Microsoft's potential buy-in is a big factor, but there's also excitement about a new Bitcoin ETF, exchange traded funds, which could make Bitcoin investing much easier for average investors. Additionally, as we approach the next US presidential election, people see Bitcoin as a safe haven during these uncertain times, something separate from the traditional financial systems. Now, let's take a look at MicroStrategy. On the month, it's up 54.23%. Michael Saylor is the chairman and co-founder of MicroStrategy, and he has a bullish outlook when it comes to Bitcoin. Recently, Saylor projected a massive future for Bitcoin, and his company has doubled down on his Bitcoin investment. The company stock surged to a multi-decade high as MicroStrategy's bet on Bitcoin has proven successful. Saylor believes Bitcoins could see exponential growth in the coming years, making it an attractive long-term asset. This type of confidence from major players like this can be a game changer in the crypto space. So MicroStrategy is currently holding over 252,000 with a value of about $17 billion. And Saylor has set a target of 13 million per Bitcoin by 2040. This headline dates back to January of 2024, but this is another notable figure right here. Kathy Wood, ARK Invest CEO, at this time was predicting that Bitcoin could reach $1 million by 2030. So going back to the price prediction table here, and the predictions that they have listed for 2030 are between 500,000 to over 600,000. So I know the numbers that I am sharing are varied. And just like I said earlier on, Bitcoin is known for its ups and downs. I've held it in my portfolio. I've never sold any of my Bitcoin. I've seen it go from 60,000 down to 16,000 and back up again. But I'm glad in 2024, when it comes to a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or any of my other investments, there is dollar cost averaging. I can invest whatever amount I am able to allocate to it in order to be a part of the growth potential of what we're talking about here. That's what matters to me. Obviously, well, not obviously, because you don't know my budget, but I can't just pick up a whole Bitcoin for $66,000. But I've been investing into it. My average price is $50,298, and my position is up 66%. My goal is long-term growth, so I'm not worried about these day-to-day fluctuations. I'm thinking about the future of Bitcoin. So, not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Do your research and know what your risk tolerance is. Drop me a comment and let me know what are your thoughts on Microsoft considering holding Bitcoin as a financial asset and the amount that MicroStrategy is currently holding. Does that increase your confidence when huge corporations like this are considering Bitcoin a long-term asset that they should be holding? So, whatever your thoughts are, just drop me a comment. Are you considering investing into Bitcoin or are you already holding it? What's your current average price? Let me know. Remember, true wealth is built over time. With patience and planning, I am focused on building up my portfolio. So I don't know which one of these predictions are accurate, but all of them would have me going in the right direction, whether it's $100,000 next year, $500,000 by 2030. My future portfolio will be looking good. So thanks for watching. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I post new videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Check out my referral links for Webull, Moomoo, and channel membership. They'll be in the description and pinned in the comments. Okay, bye.